If your videos look blurry, stutter during fast movement, or worst of all, completely corrupt when OBS crashes, you aren't alone. It's frustrating to spend an hour recording, only to find out the footage is unusable. But the fix isn't a new graphics card. It's how you're telling OBS to handle your data. Encoders and bitrate. Let's break this down. First, go to Settings, then Output. Switch the output mode to Advanced. Now here's where it gets interesting. The encoder. If you have an NVIDIA card, always pick NVENC. It lets your GPU do the heavy lifting, so your CPU can stay cool. If you're on a budget PC without a dedicated card, X264 is your friend, but it will work your CPU harder. For rate control, most people use CBR because they saw it in a streaming guide. Don't do that for recording. Switch to CQP for GPU. Use CRF for CPU use. Think of CRF or CQP as a quality target. Set it between 18 and 23. Lower numbers mean better quality, but bigger files. Resolution and FPS. Now, let's fix the blur. Go to the Video tab. Most creators make the mistake of having a different base canvas and output resolution. If your monitor is 1080p, make sure both of these boxes say 1920 by 1080. If they don't match, OBS has to stretch the video while recording, which makes your text look fuzzy. For FPS, stick to 30 for tutorials or presentations. It keeps your file sizes small and your text sharp. Only switch to 60 if you're recording high-motion gaming. Imagine you're recording a coding tutorial. At 30 frames per second with a matched resolution, your code will look pin-sharp. But if you try to record a fast-paced shooter like Apex Legends at those same settings, the motion might feel choppy. For gaming, you'd want that 60 FPS and a lower CQP value like 17 is for GPU encoders. Use CRF best for CPU, X264 encoding. Common mistakes. Here is the most important part. Never record directly to MP4. If your power cuts out or OBS freezes, an MP4 file becomes instant trash. Always record in MKV. Once you're done, go to File, Remux Recordings in OBS to turn it into an MP4 for editing. It takes 2 seconds and saves your life. So here's the bottom line. Use NVENC with CQP for the best quality. Match your base and output resolutions to stay sharp. Record in MKV so you never lose a file again.